what do? You get a new wig and it's heavy on the head, heavy everywhere else, so much hair overwhelming your face, you just get lost in it. Help! It's time for a wig revamp with Chaya G. I'm Chaya G, wig stylist, wig wearer, wig expert, and I'm here today to show you how we're going to take this wig from big, bulky, and heavy to wearable, looking great, and feeling good on your head. Now today I have a special treat for you. I'm actually going to walk you through this process of exactly what I'll be doing from A to Z. I'm including a surprise guest who's going to help me take this wig from big and bulky to nice, sleek, ready to wear. The issue here lies in the fact that this wig has tons of hair on it. And with the style that they're showing today of not really having too many short layers, you end up with tons of hair that just becomes very overwhelming. So what are we going to do? The game plan is we are going to debulk this wig, and that can be done in many different ways. What we're going to do here is actually go into the multi-top area, which is where you see the skin top at the top of the wig, and remove hairs piece by piece to get it to lay thinner and flatter on the head. Now, I like to go with this method because when people go with something with this thinning scissors, which I'll show you in a minute, it actually creates lots of little short hairs that actually stick up in the multi-top. I don't like this, it doesn't feel good, it doesn't look good, and eventually you'll be left with a lot of bald spots in many different areas. So pulling out individual hairs one by one is really the way to take care of this. Now, throughout the rest of the piece, there are ways to, with using a scissor, to be able to thin out the edges and the bottom of the hair without compromising the whole look and making it too choppy. You can cut into the piece to debulk it without chopping it up. These wig revamp series are meant to be informational. I'm not here to show you exactly how each thing gets done. There are so many people out there and wig stylists that will go through step by step of how they achieve certain looks. I'm coming to bring you the information as a consumer, as someone who has a wig looking like this and she's looking at herself in the mirror and thinking, I don't like how I look. What am I supposed to do about it? This is information that you can go ahead and bring to your wig stylist and know what you need to ask for in order to achieve the results that you need. Now let's get to the results. Ta-da! And here's the final look. The wig has been debulked with individual pieces being removed from the top, thinned and debulked throughout with the scissors, but not creating too many layers here. As you can see, it's still the longer layered look, very current, super comfortable on the head, and ready to go. Big thank you to Gitel Wigs for once again coming through and showing up on my YouTube video here. Go ahead, check her out. She has a lot of great content and years of experience. If you like what you saw here, don't forget to like. Click that subscribe button. There's many more to come so that I can be able to give you information that you could take to your wig stylist when you're facing these problems and you don't know what to do. You have this information, you can go and get it taken care of and then have something just as wearable, just as current, and ready to go. Until next time.